This is a 2007 Honda CR-V. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.